Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable your Face ID or fingerprint in the CommBank app. First, log in into the CommBank app using your password. Once you're done entering your password and your username, tap on the menu or settings section. Go to security or login settings. Select Face ID or fingerprint login. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity. Once enabled, you can log in faster using your biometric authentication. Make sure the biometric login is also enabled in your phone settings. Go to the settings app and then search for Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and make sure that you have enabled the biometric login in your phone settings as well. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.